Will Lumafusion come to Android device? In this video, I'm going to show you the answer to these questions. Let's go! The quick answer is unlikely it's going to Android device. Sad news, I know. Okay, that's the quick answer. Okay, so you can leave now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Now the long answer is not very simple, and I have break down to a few points. The first one is paid customer versus free rider customer. The developer of this software, this app, Lumafusion, the guy that make this app, they know the Android boys and girls are unlikely to pay. They are in the mindset of the statistics show that Android users are not very responsive to paying, fork out the cash to pay creator, developer. So that's the reason why they stick to iOS device, the Apple ecosystem. The ecosystem of the iOS device, they are more willing to pay for the app. So if you are a developer, would you put the effort into developing the software for an Android device where they use it for free? I would not. As a consumer, we have to think in that kind of term. Would they make a profit? If they don't make a profit, they will soon die. Any company, if they don't make a profit, how can they survive in business? They are not a charity. Okay, put that way. Okay, the next point is the Google Android system. Since they start out with developing this software for iOS device, Apple ecosystem, they have to go through the whole process again, the back ends, to make it work for Android device. Okay, and the developing process is very difficult. That's what I heard from them. Okay, from all the video that they have so far put out the announcement, and there's people who have raised this question already to them, and apparently Google make it really hard for them to convert whatever they have in the Apple system to Google system, Android system. Lumafusion is putting all the eggs in one basket. Is that a good thing or bad thing? Okay, for me personally, as a business owner and a business student, I would do the same thing. If I'm just a small company, small developer, would I want to spread my wings out too far, or I concentrate just one particular product that do really well? And I think that's what they're doing. They are putting all their eggs in one basket, put all their effort into the iOS system and make the best app possible out there, video editing software app out there for mobile device. So instead of going chasing goose, okay, different devices, hey, we just concentrate on the best, develop our best mobile video editing software that we can do right now. And right now it is the best video editing software. It has award-winning. Lumafusion was the winner of the best iPad app in 2021. Apple recognized this as well, so they award them with the best award for 2021, the best app for iPad. This baby here. For me, I've been using Lumafusion for 5 months now. 5 months, yeah, 5 months roughly, 4 to 5 months, and so far I love it. The best video editing software that I've been using, many software, okay, from the DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, okay, those kind of software. So the pro level that I'm expecting of this app, and so far it can do most of the stuff that I want to do in that kind of software, the more pro software. It does not break the bank to switch. Now, myself personally was an Android and Windows user, okay, for a long time, 20 years or so. When the first computer came out, I was using it. Okay, when the first phone came out, I was the Android user. So I have to make the jump because of Lumafusion, because I want to do YouTube videos, because I want to do a lightweight, okay, lightweight like this. Okay, doesn't cost too much. This is the iPad Air. Doesn't cost me too much, and it can edit 4K. And it's lightweight. I love to travel as well, so I don't want something really light to carry with me. That's the reason why I have looked at a computing device that can do all my video editing without waiting too much. Okay, and I found the iPad. This iPad Air 11-inch is big enough screen, real safe for me to do it. Okay, and light enough. Right now, this is my only device of viewing YouTube, do all my digital needs. Okay, basically it's all in here. And video editing 4K, no problem with this device, and it does not break the bank. It's not like if you're on a budget, right? You can get the iPad used for around $500, $500 to $600, depends when and where you get it. So it's not gonna break the bank if you switch to this application. Okay, and certainly you have to buy a few more additional accessories. Okay, so you need memory, of course, everyone needs that, and you need this. Okay, the dongle just for you to put your SD card, because right now it only have one input and output device. Okay, so you have to buy additional accessories, which roughly under $1,000 budget, and you can have your own iPad here with all the accessories that you need for you to work this system to make it into a powerful workhorse for you. This replaced my desktop device, laptop device, the iPad. I switched from an Android device to an iOS device. I took the leap, and so far I have not regretted it. 5 months into the system, I can do whatever I do with video editing, 4K. Okay, can do 4K, no problem at all. There's no lag or anything like that. So far I have not regretted switching to an iPad because of Lumafusion. That's the reason why. So you need to learn how to use Lumafusion. I have a playlist here, so you can check it out for beginner. So you can check it out there. And also, don't forget to subscribe to me. I supply this great content for you. Please do subscribe to me so we get this relationship going. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.